A use case diagram is a visual representation of how users interact with the system, outlining various roles, processes, and interactions. Lucidchart is a powerful tool for creating professional use case diagrams. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Lucidchart for this purpose. Create a new use case diagram. Sign into Lucidchart. Visit Lucidchart and log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one. Start a new diagram. Once logged in, click on plus create new diagram and select use case from the diagram options. Designing your use case diagram. Add actors. Click on the actor shape from the shape library. Drag and drop the actor shape onto the canvas. Actors represent individuals or systems interacting with the system under consideration. Add use cases. Use the use case shape from the shape library. Drag and connect the use cases to the corresponding actors using lines or arrows to represent relationships or interactions. Define relationships. Use connectors such as associations or dependencies to represent interactions between actors and use cases. Double-click on the lines or arrows to add labels or additional details like specific actions or outcomes. Customizing the diagram. Add descriptive labels, notes, and symbols to make the diagram more comprehensive. Use colors or styles to differentiate between various actors, use cases, or relationships for easier understanding. Adjust positions and layout as necessary to create a clear visual representation. Collaborating on use case diagrams. Share your use case diagram by exporting it as a PDF, image, or directly embedding it into documents like Google Docs or Confluence. Collaborate with team members by allowing access to edit or view the diagram in real time.